I think that this try proposal of enforcing this 12-minute cap is completely wrong at this stage of the broadcasting industry, because the digitization has not been complete, the subscription revenues are not flowing to the channels, so the whole revenue model of channels will be destroyed if this cap is put. And particularly for news channels, because news channels, advertising can be erratic in a sense that if there's a big event, we don't carry advertising, and at the present rules you would not be able to even carry this forward. So the rules have to be completely changed and discussed, or they have to be completely amended, especially for news channels. So this is a very bad suggestion at this stage, which actually will threaten the freedom of the press in this country, because it will destroy their revenue models. Well, it'll hugely affect it, because there are depends on which channel you're talking about, but I know that for a news channel that it'll have an enormous effect. The revenues will be, either the rates will go up or advertising will come down. One doesn't know what will happen, but I would imagine that the effect will be tremendous. Well, I think the broadcasters are completely right. They want to bill whatever they are being paid for. So 85% is what is being paid for, and this business of 100% and 15% minus and so forth, whether it's a discount, whether it's a service, this is not our issue. We should be billing what we are paid for, and the rest the agency should handle with the advertising.